So, A is for what?
Alligator. For bird.
B is for bird. You gotta say it loud.
B for bird.
Turn the page. C?
C for cat.
Good job.
I know.
D?
D for dog.
E?
E for elephant. Goldfish.
F?
F for goldfish.
For goldfish. For any fish. Honey, move your foot, please. G is for goat.
G is for goat.
What's this one?
I don't know.
H is for?
Hippopotamus.
Good job.
It's for iguana.
Good job. J is for what? Dun, 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 dun.
Jack for the box.
That's right. Good job.
L for Jack in the box.
That's right.
We're finding.
So, tell me about the zoo. What did you see at the zoo?
I see snowman. I see in the car.
There's no snowmen at the zoo. You see giraffes?
Yeah.
And penguins?
Yeah. And lions and
Tiger sleeping.
tiger sleeping and giraffe sleeping.
And what did Daddy buy you?
A lady pop.
And what else? With sprinkles.
Sprinkles with ice cream.
That's right. And did you see monkeys?
Yeah.
And did you go on the merry-go-round? Yeah. So let me ask you something.
Okay. And G for mouse.
M.
W.
M.
M for mouse.
That's good. Now count to 20.
Okay.
1,
1,
2,
3,
4.
4,
Go on.
5,
Uh-huh.
6,
Keep going. Mommy wants to know.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 16, 14, 15, 16.
Hooray!
Hooray!
Very good job. What do you say to Mommy?
Thank you.
Look at Mommy. Kiss Reagan.